Hello students, today we will discuss the second chapter of political science, that is Federalism. First we will discuss the meaning of it. It comes from the Latin word foedus or foeder, which means a league or a covenant. If we talk in simple words, federalism is a system of government in which the power is divided between the central authority and various constituent units of the country. There are basically two types of government. One is the unitary government and the other is the federal government. The difference between it: when we talk about a federal government, it means that there are two or more levels of the government. And in a unitary government, there is only one level of the government, that would be the central government. In federal government, the political powers are shared between the two levels of the government or more than that, while in unitary government, the political powers are not shared. Third, the federal government has a constitution which is rigid and codified, whereas the unitary government has the constitution which is flexible and uncodified. The different features of federalism are: first point, there should be two or more levels of the government. Second, different tiers of government govern the same citizens. Third, jurisdiction of the tiers of government are specified in the Constitution. Fourth, fundamental provisions of the Constitution cannot be unilaterally changed by one level of the government. Fifth, courts have the power to interpret the Constitution and the powers of different level of government. Sixth, sources of revenue for each level of the government are clearly specified to ensure its financial autonomy. And seventh, the federal system has dual objectives. First, to safeguard and promote the unity of the country, and second, accommodate regional diversity. There are two main aspects of an ideal federalism. The first one, governments at different levels should agree to some rules of power sharing. And second, trust and agreement to live together must be there. There are two routes or types of federalism. First one and the second one. The first one is coming together and the second one is holding together. In coming together federation, the independent states come together on their own to form a bigger unit. Second, they increase their security by pooling sovereignty and retaining identity. Third, all constituent states have equal powers. For example, USA, Switzerland, and Australia. Whereas in holding together federation, first point, large country decides to divide the power between the constitutional units and the center. Second, center is more powerful than the states. Third, constituent units of federation have unequal powers. For example, India, Spain, and Belgium. Thank you all.